Hello everyone, I just want to share with you a quick tip if you plan to teach kids at home and you don't have the budget for a brand new curriculum, or your printer is simply not working and you want to start now. So what I used to do is I would create my own worksheets and my own little posters of the letters that we were reviewing or learning about. So once your children can recognize their letters, we move into the sounds. So this is one I did for the short A sound. I put the most common type of A's that the children will encounter, uppercase and lowercase, and then I drew little pictures of things that start with the short A sound. And this is a good way to also introduce new vocabulary words to children. So one thing that I like to do, besides just reading the words and pointing to the pictures, as you know, avocado, ant, axe, ambulance, anaconda, apple, I ask them, so can you point to the letter A on the word avocado? And then they either point or have them circle it. Or which letter says ah? Oh, it's on the word ant. Oh, it's this one, and so forth. I also made one for the long A sound, because once we have learned our short sounds, we move into the long sound, long A sound. And it takes a similar format with words and pictures of things that start with the letter A sound, as in airplane, acorn, apricot, angel, apron. And then I created this simple trace the letter A worksheet. You can make as many uppercase A's or lowercase A's as you want. For this particular worksheet, I was working with very young children, so this was enough for them. So what I say is, okay, so you start at the top, you go down, down, and across. For the lowercase, it's you go all around, up and down. And then you can also have them erase it with the same directions. Start at the top, you go down, down, and across. Then you go all around, up and down. And then I made a simple match the letters game, which is just draw lines connecting each apple to the tree with the matching letter. Now, uppercase A, that matches. And you keep going and going until complete. And the same with the lowercase a. Yep. And that's it. This is a way you can make simple little worksheets. Okay, now let's talk about craft activities that you might want to do with your letter of the week, letter A. We filled in this shape of the letter A with pieces of aluminum foil. Here's another letter collage that we did with dot stickers, and we also glued a piece of construction paper for the stem and leaf. We made an ant craft. I drew 3 circles. The children cut them out, glued on wiggly eyes, and drew on the legs and antenna. We also did this apple craft with a paper plate. The children glued on the tissue paper, the stem, the leaves, and one of my kids really wanted to add the eyes to it. And lastly, we made an alien out of a green circle made out of construction paper. And then I just applied them with items that they could use to decorate. So this child used the wiggly eyes and simply used markers to draw on the legs and the arms, and a little bit of purple hair. Okay, well, I hope this helps.